Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial, how to fix Amazon Fire Stick boot loop. If your Fire TV Stick Lite is in a boot loop, please try the following. Unplug your Fire TV Stick Lite from the mains power. Unplug the Fire TV Stick Lite from the HDMI. Wait 5 minutes, then insert the Fire TV Stick Lite into the HDMI port on your TV. Plug the Fire TV Stick Lite back into the mains power. Ensure you use power LED and power adapter that came with the Fire TV Stick Lite and not plugged into a USB port on the TV. If this does not fix the issue, unplug the Fire TV Stick Lite from the HDMI port. Plug the Fire TV Stick Lite into a different HDMI port. Finally, try a factory reset on the Fire TV Stick Lite with the remote control. Press and hold back and right on the directional button for 10 seconds. Scroll to reset, then press Select. Your Fire TV Stick Lite will now reset to the factory settings. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.